Alright, so I'm going to be installing these LED Footwell lights, but if you're looking for like an installation guide slash like tutorial type video, then this might not be for you, because I'm just going to like cut the clip, install the lights off camera, and then come back on camera and show you how I ran the lights through the car and things like that, and then I'll show you what they look like at night. If you want like a full on like tutorial type thing, this might not be 100% for you, but I'll be back when I've installed the lights. It's taken quite a while, but I finally got the lights installed. So I use this outlet at the back to power it, because I never use this outlet, so I was thinking I might as well use this, keep the inside looking a bit cleaner. So this is actually a 3-meter USB extension cable, which I bought off Amazon. I'll link it in the description anyway. So this cable runs from here, then to the back seat. Let's lift this up real quick. Yeah, so it comes out of the boot. I put it through the corner here. Just normally pull down this seat like this, and then you see the wire comes from the boot in that little corner to down here. Then I undid this little clip here, lifted up this plastic, put it under here, and then that continues through here. So you have to lift up the plastic, use a screwdriver or a plastic tool if you don't want to damage the plastic. And then I ran that all the way through down here, all the way down there, all the way through here, and then it comes up behind this, and it comes up round there, and then into there. You see I have it drooping down here. It's this. It's currently connected to the light's power source. So it comes all the way here, and this comes up here, through here, so you can see the wire here, and then the main control box is there, and the little infrared thing sticks out down there for me to be able to use the remote. And then we come inside the car. I took out the radio, and there's the power cable. I wrapped it round like that so that the box doesn't move around in there and it stays put. But then to get the other lights to come over here, because the box is on this side, you need to pass one of the wires round to this side of the car to get the light on this side and back here. So, and I couldn't pass it through back there, it was a bit too tight to go through there. I just ran it through this gap, through this hole. You can see the wires here. Then, not sure if you can see, but down there, there's a hole right there, which, as you can see my finger moving in the background, comes out there, which was perfect to mount the light there. The wire goes through there, but there's two wires because I pass both of the ones for the left side through there. So then that one goes up there. I removed this bit of plastic, like lifted it up and pushed the, wait, let me go to the other side of the car. It'll be a lot easier to film it and make more sense. Yeah, so it comes down out here. I lifted up this plastic like this, as you can see, the wire here. So I lifted up that, pushed the wire all the way through here, ran it all the way back, and then ran it all the way down here, and then it comes under the seat, and I stuck it under the seat there, as you can see. And I done the same on the right side of the car. I'll show you how I done it on the right side. So on the right side is the same thing, but just on this side. It runs through here, all the way to the back, and then under the seat, where the other one is. This I kept here, just to show you guys how I done it, but I'm going to tuck it up back under here, back up here, so it isn't seen. But yeah, show you what the lights are like when they're on during the day, and I'll do it again at night as well. So there's one light. During the day it doesn't really look too good, but it will look a lot better at night. There's the other one in the back. There's the other one in the left of the back. And then there's the passenger side one. When it's dark, I'll show you what it looks like at night. But now I'm just gonna put back in my radio and everything, and yeah, I'll be done. Alright, so here are the Footwell lights at night. In my opinion, they look quite good. Now, they're not on their brightest setting. I just made them a bit dimmer with the remote that it comes with, so that it looks more like original, like it came with the car, instead of being like a really bright light coming from the Footwell lighting. Also with the remote you can make it change colours and things like that. So those are the front ones. And you've got the ones up in the back here. I think it just looks so cool. I'll quickly change some of the settings on the remote so that I can flip through some colours. No, I'll just do it so it changes through colours. There we go. I'll step back outside. So this is the fastest colour changing mode, I think. I think there's ones where the colours change a lot slower and they can do different things. I think it reacts to music and stuff. I don't know, to be honest. I haven't messed around with it a lot, but it's pretty cool. Get both of them at the same time. I normally keep the lights white because then it matches the interior lights. But I think when I shut the door it changed. Yeah, so it kind of reacts to music. I'll turn on the radio, see if that makes it do anything. Okay, so as you just saw, when I turned on the music, it made the lights start moving around, which is quite cool. So it does react to music, which is pretty cool in my opinion. So yeah, that was the install of the lights. Hope you enjoyed.